What's cracking, Jump Nation family? It's your boy here, Rushy S, aka the Jump Rope Coach. Welcome back to another fire jump rope tutorial peeps, where today, you guys, beginners, I'm going to be teaching you how to do the run skip effectively, make it look boss, and make sure you're using your skipping ropes the right way and getting the best out of your cardio workouts. So again, if you haven't already, don't know what ropes we use on this channel, it is of course the RA Speed Rope, also known as the money rope, the most in-demand skipping rope on the planet. Go check my website down below, guys. Use YouTube 10 for your 10% discount. So let's get straight into this, peeps. Right, so beginners, I've been asked to do this video for a very long time, so apologies it hasn't been done for until now really. But beginners out there, when you first get your skipping ropes, you're most likely to be maybe sometimes doing a double skip like this, a little bounce, or if you get into your run skip, you're kind of like a little bit off kind of balance or out of sync, right? Out of coordination. We're going to change that today. The way we need to learn this, people, is to understand that your hands and your feet have to work together, right? Your hands need to be in the same kind of sync, need to be coordinated with your feet. That is skipping, of course, but you need to make sure when you're doing this run skip now, and you're going to see loads of slow motions on this video, you're going to see that one revolution, one touchdown, okay? Another revolution, another touchdown. If you get that in your head, you'll start to move your feet quicker, you'll start to move your hands quicker. So for example, start with a kind of basic bounce. So here, if you're here with a double bounce, start to move with a basic bounce first, right? Especially if you're kind of in that very beginner stage. Start to get used to jumping once with one revolution. You don't want to do stuttering like this. Get your hands moving quicker. That's the first thing. Second thing, I'm gonna come to camera B here, is start to use your wrists a lot more better as well, all right? Because there's a lot of people who use a lot of arms, the beginners out there. It slows your rope down, right? If you're here, slows your rope down. If you're moving your hands away from your body, arms away from your body, start to get in with kind of using your hands, thumbs, start to move that rope quicker to get you to start jumping quicker. Okay, then I'm going to get you to start doing one-legged bounces. Okay, I'm going to have loads of slow motions now showing you the one-legged bounce. What this is going to teach you is how to engage your core, start to remain more balanced. I want you to start to focus on jumping on the same spot with these one-leg bounces. If you get tired, if you find it tough, switch leg. Okay, 1, 2, switch leg. This actually might be a lot more difficult than it looks, but a few reps of this, then this. Now you're starting to engage your core, you're starting to stay balanced, you're starting to get more coordination and speed with your rope. From here, you're now ready to try and jump into this run skip. We're here, touch your leg down, just like that, okay? Really slowly. So one-legged bounce, drop your leg, drop, drop, drop. Back to one-legged bounce, 1, 2, 3. Then the other leg, 1, 2, 3. It's really important, really important that your heels stay off the ground. Really important, I can't stress that enough. If your heels are flat-footed, you're gonna go back to being slow, off balance. It's gonna feel awkward, too much heavy on your impact, right? Too heavy on the impact, injuries, everything else. Stay really light. Remember, all we're doing is dropping one leg with one revolution. 1, 2, 1, 2. Get into the habit of dropping that leg just as the rope comes under your feet. It's important that the knee that comes up, it stays up, right? That's why we use the one-legged bounces. Most people, they drop their feet too quick, trip, yeah? You wanna make sure that the knee that's up remains up until that rope comes underneath your feet. And then as you get better, guys, more core engagement, a lot more speed. I'm gonna come to this camera quickly, very quick tutorial, okay? Just follow the slow motions. Balance is so key, right? Balance is always the most important thing before you start to go to speed. Get your hands working, feet moving, drop, 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 all right? You want your toes, right, facing down to the floor, not up, down. This is not the run skip, that's the run skip here, heels off the floor. So when you come in now, driving those knees up, you can get more speed, more balance. It's a lot more aesthetically pleasing even, much more fluid looking, and it's going to make sure that you get the best out of your workouts. As you drive these knees up, you engage in your lower abs, core, shredding calories for fun, right? People, nice and quick. Hopefully the slow motions help you. It's all about recording yourself using mirrors, getting your own feedback, all right? That's the most important thing. Just re-watch what you do. If you trip, do not worry. It takes a lot of time. You guys are just beginners out there. It took me months and months to get to level, well, to be fair, it's taken me years. It's taken me years to get to the level that I am today. I'm still trying to perfect this art. I haven't perfected anything by no means, man. This thing is super difficult to use and doesn't come overnight. So just remember that. Stay positive, don't put it down. We've all been there. The journey is real, but it's the most important part because it'll make a winner out of you. So remember, please do give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. If you're out there learning to know how to use a skipping rope the right way, this is the home of jump rope fitness and lifestyle. This is where this bad boy originated, all right? So copy your ropes down below, use your YouTube 10 discount and get started the right way. So without further ado, I'm gonna see you in that next video. Take care of yourself, skip the treadmill, stay safe. Peace.
Was the knight in shining armor in your movie? Would put your lips on mine and love the aftertaste now.